along the road.
While hiking up here.
The rear.
Well, last year.
No, yeah, never rain last year. No.
It normally does.
There's one that noticed over the past week is
You just have a feeling so rain come on.
Start big more down and so much.
Yeah, them normally set up. Unless your back hold this in it, makes sense you avoid it to get heavy.
Oh, man.
You just carry the little bottle.
It's the bike that always a one unfortunately.
Man, I need a stack pipe. But stop the battery.
Yeah, it's almost a high and always a one.
Which people? Oh. Okay. Can't get them. And did they tell you the cost?
Huh?
Did they tell you the cost?
Never get the country. There's still a cost per hiker to hike.
No, for the cabin, because they're renovating.
Price, yeah.
So they don't have much charge.
I don't know, cabin
For what?
Bump cabin. Bump cabins.
5,000 each.
5,000. We have one on the side. First place I think
So up to the one downstairs.
Downstairs.
Down the bottom.
the one on the first place.
Oh, that they call first place. Okay.
We have one on top.
Okay.
What we want also find out is you need to get that extra money. And then build a whole problem.
Okay. And you book for next year?
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll start around 1 hour or something.
Oh, why is it early?
But that cat says we know every month.
Yeah.
So,
Is this it?
I'm trying my phone.
Come on, I got straight, you know. This is the new classics.
Yes.
So this is the wrong road down here.
This is alright.
Sure.
No.
See? Leading us astray. As a good shepherd.
You're being a good sheep though, that's good. how we drive the Mavis Bank. Wrong way, next one we could go straight up. Alright.
I think I can turn over this way. Pull up Rubik's coming out.
Oh, service.
them brother was yeah, it was
School is copy.
I'm not sure. It is?
Yep. I'm not sure. Go straight up to the road. Oh yeah, yeah. We had a bus carried us one year. Some places we have to come out and walk.
Some places.
Like on the road.
Oh, the low. Oh.
Continue for 3 kilometers.
It is your side. Push on. Pass where? You're not passing nobody this up. You know?
Continue on Gordontown Road for 4 kilometers.
I'm gonna come down. That's it.
Oh, come down, drift. Alright. That would be just nice. She had taxi. You ever open up the John Roy and the height, you see that? The caravan of the fit. And them guys in a big shop in one time. I buy piece. Yeah, that's true.
Hours most people reach, man. 6 hours most person supposed to reach. Last year group did slow down.
No, last year. Oh, man. Jeez.
Last year group was horrible.
Man. The worst. So I don't know how the first thing was, man. The dude down there, too. This is the handy stuff I need. Another man.
It's already, right?
Don't make you hurt. I mean, no hard feelings.
Make sure you tell them they
Yeah,
have
man.
to hold with their back,
Yeah,
everything. So they must say, I can do this in a event, so they're not going to
exactly.
self-determined.
I know when I'm pack everything.
Sure the list. Sure the list.
You sure, right?
Yeah.
That's all.
In the group, that's what's needed.
In the group?
The event is sorry.
Oh, what's needed? Well, I think the crazy that is updated this session from last year. So let's see. Oh, what's over there? when she come, she can't come down there. When she come, she don't pay up.
Oh man, it's fun.
Oh yeah, and it's just you'll be having so much fun you won't even realize. Go in, man. Tell me that.
Oh, she said she won't even realize that one day if it's a fun. I don't know.
That change.
So go 3.5, we go 3, then we go back to 4. But the time is
So
fast.
you know, have internet, so. look at the clearance on that phone. If you walk under the car. Hi. Rich and last, so let's take that from
Go on here, me, Daddy, Ray and Rowan. Run it the right up to a Jeep.
What? Who that drive? Dali?
No man. Actually from me this bank
Up?
to the Jeep and they come check it. A year after that,
No.
one hurricane will pass.
The year after the hurricane?
I think it was either B.
So, who drive up there?
No man, we drive to the church. I think it was Rowan.
Rowan drive?
Yeah, I
Rowan
think
drive in
car.
sedan?
No man. Yeah, it was a sedan. The B, it was a B.
Nissan? No,
But it was to the church.
no, I'm going to drive to the church to test out the route.
Yeah, when we were checking the truck.
Checking the truck.
About 30 minutes.
Yeah, I know. Hey? Church. Church, fuck. Yeah, church.
No, we drive to the Jehovah's Witness Church and then walk up to the Jeep, which is still a good distance.
Okay.
But we reach quick and the people that must slow down in the RV.
Yeah.
But then time we did young still.
Young and foolish. I mean that speed, no?
Then we run come back down in a 10 or so minutes. Gone are the days.
All I'm fun. So reach him on the way.
Oh, me?
You, I mean,
No, sir.
say reach Dali. Say Dali Marga.
No, I'm not rich, sir.
That's it.
Start running now, man.
I'm going to start to. A long time to start.
We go gym to start the work at gym. No, make it reach everyone. Ain't having it. I'm not sure if I'm married
Oh, you have to make sure first.
yet.
Eh?
Make sure, yeah.
They're married now, just let go.
I got them good.
They're tired, you know. You can't go now.
Once upon a time, them couldn't go nowhere.
True.
Supposed to reach pass, so we pass and come back in the alley.
Well, they keep going on for them. Damage you can't and then you don't want that. I don't know, so much better.
This morning, but we're not going to rest of it. Can't afford to cramp up for anything.
Oh, the gym. Did I run too, you know? And then we go run one night, yeah. 10 weeks and be at the you know.
My daughter's got treadmill. Yeah, feel good. You don't feel like it.
Is which gym?
Go on.
Express? the biggest teeth. Biggest teeth.
Oh, that's what I must say.
Yeah, yeah. Them say,
Why they want to pay for that?
Then they must say what? $29.99. Let me go. They say, oh, it's $29.99 per fortnight. So it's basically $6 a month.
Yeah. Well, I almost have to pay about them teeth.
How
Five,
much?
okay.
5. That's up. And Express, they want your account number or something. Just drop right money. Serious.
I don't know why people do.
Yeah.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Hey, you know what I hear? Come see down the river.
Me? Yeah, man.
How long would it get reach there?
Hey, me bust it down in a... Cause me never, you know,
Turn
me
right,
Tiger thing,
then slight right.
Hold on.
Right, next slide, right.
You want to see down the river?
Yeah, hey, and it's by the time you come down,
The first people.
it's when they come down and see me, them time I'm there, you know, because what we do, we try to reach down first, so we can just strip down and
Continue for 3
lead and,
kilometers.
you know, without leaving anybody out temptation. Yeah. And I did see you on, what do you call it? Stevie and? Yeah. Shall I come again this year?
The Lion Green.
Yeah. No. NC.
Stefan. Something like that. Probably on different here. All of them drums in a minute.
But Safia cancelled. She can't go. Safia weeks. Probably. Yeah, probably. Not calling though. But
I'm calling now, so.
and that no one like not calling say yo ready. Rabino? Oh, many from Rabino. But Safia look like the kind of girl who can really manage. What you saying? 13 minutes?
Yes. That's the one for the film.
It's like it go up.
You can tell us when you get drive.
Yeah, right?
You want to see.
Why don't you wait like that?
No, but true. That's when you're there.
Winding and thing.
No matter when I drive up and down in that town, what?
Reach the meridian.
There's some Houston hike from Pop.
Them hike from Papine, go Blue Mountain. You believe that?
Actually,
Everything?
much.
That's crazy. Who do that? Yeah.
Somebody from the police station.
That's it.
Limestone.
Remember one place where that come out?
I think it was it. That come down to wait and then them want to go on after an hour to a hour. Then come up.
But they walk there half an hour and then you just walk. So you have to walk slowly. Okay. I get you.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Gotcha.
The whole was it a church?
Yeah. It's a turn.
Turn left.
Again. Turn left.
What?
Turn left. Okay.
And I stole it on me.
Man, I come. Just a sorry.
Maybe stop.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Chill.
What's up? Tired already?
And I drive. Should drive.
What's up, man?
You say what? Yes. Okay. Alright.
Oh, yeah, man.
Word is down.
Can't drive over the second line.
Trucks and guys. Try to over. So much up. Shop will make sense still. we'll never know. Yeah, here's looks so different.
Because that building was
It
there.
wasn't there last year. And even years listening to lower.
You're still doing all this thing. Outside.
Where's my partner?
Alright, there's a that's on road. They're running so I can drive past that from where they're doing it. They drive right to the river. Afternoon. So we're going down to the river. This road leads, go right around? Alright, thanks. Oh boy.
Oh, it should. What's up? Yeah, I'll find someone to park. I'm going to park at this car here, so.
Took it more out of the road.
Let me check. There's stone here, so. Alright. No, no, no,
Think about it.
no, 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 no.
Yeah, the surfboard and what, they're coming back up sweat party, you know.
I said.